Plant design and housekeeping. Plant, PLANT. What do you mean by plant design? Plant design. When we are going to start any plant, so we have to, first of all, we have to make it a design. Okay, what the plant we are going to do, what will be the part of the plant, which sector we will do at which place, and first of all we have to choose the place where we should sit our plant. Okay, so our first thing coming is plant setting criteria. Write down the heading, plant setting criteria. Plant setting criteria. Plant setting criteria. So before starting any plant, what should be the minimum requirement which should be available at that place? Minimum requirement for proper place, yes, infrastructure, yes, machinery. এটা তো আমার বড় কথা। First of all, approval. Okay. Next. Availability of materials, raw materials, availability of labor, availability of water for drinking and also for process. First of all, we have to choose a proper place for our type of plant we are going to see. Okay. Then minimum interest rate. Okay. So first point, land availability and its cost. Land availability and its cost. Cost. So low quality land है तो इनको अपना cost तो हम उसकी हमने जो so availability of land and its cost. That land should be a good land for which our type of plant, which type of plant we are going to place there. Okay, and it should be available in a suitable cost. Okay, next point. Availability of raw materials. Availability of raw materials. Availability of raw materials. So the raw materials we should see that the raw material is available at that place. Otherwise, the place at some distance from that area. Okay, which we can bring in the expenditure of a few costs. Okay, हम आपको बच्चों ने जैसे जितना हम ऐड करते हैं raw material जो जाकर available है. मुझे ना next availability of infrastructure. Availability of infrastructure. Infrastructure also necessary. Next, availability of labor. Availability of labor. Suppose local persons are our labor means it will be a benefit to us. If we are bringing the labor from some other place or from some other state, then what will happen? We have to give them more money for staying room, accommodation, all accommodation facility, fooding, staying, all that things we have to give them. It will be lost to the owner of the factory. Okay, so we should ask for the local person who may be our labor. Okay, next point. Availability of transport facility. Availability of transport facility. Transportation. For transportation, It should not take more money. अधिक पैसा हमर खर्च हो नथो अल्प खर्च रे हम जेमि जिनिस पत्र लोक जहां भी हमरा ट्रांसपोर्टिंग होतो जेमि हम करतो. ओके नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ड्रिंकिंग एंड प्रोसेस वाटर फैसिलिटी. ड्रिंकिंग एंड प्रोसेस वाटर फैसिलिटी. Drinking and processed water facility. Water facility, it should be suitable for drinking purpose and also for the process purpose. Okay. Then place for solid and liquid waste disposal. Place for solid and liquid waste disposal. Place for solid and liquid waste disposal. So whatever scraps are coming from our factory or from our process, we have to dispose it at a suitable place which should not interfere to the day-to-day life of person. Okay, so we have to select places or the availability of places should be there for separate disposal of solid waste and also for liquid waste. Okay, next point, drainage facility. Drainage facility. Drainage facility. So, whatever liquid, unwanted liquids are coming or unwanted chemicals coming from our factory or coming from our process, we should drain it in a proper way. Okay. So, drainage system facility also, जेमती कि हमारे गार्डन में रहते हैं, where we can make the drainage facility. Okay. Next point. Place for solid. Place for next point, surrounding population density. Surrounding population density and distance from public. Surrounding population density and distance from public. Surrounding population density and distance from public. So, what is the population density surrounding our working area or surrounding our plant area? We have to see this. Then, distance from public. How many distance we are maintaining from the public? Surrounding population density and distance from public. Next one, distance from highway, railway, and from transportation center. Distance from highway, railway, and transportation center. So the plant should be situated in less distance from the highways, railways, and transportation system. Whatever available there. Okay. Next point. Suitability of climate. Suitability of climate. Environment. Suitability of climate, environment, make. Okay, that should be we should choose the proper place or proper environment for that type of plant. Suppose much more software companies are in Bangalore, right? Because of this climate. Okay, so some radioactive things we are doing means ISRO, DRDO, that type of plants are there near the sea or ocean. Okay, fine. Because that area is suitable for that. Their testing and other many other things are suitable for that place. So we have to choose the environment which is suitable for our type of plant. Which type of plant we are going to use. Okay. Next point. Government policy. Government policy. And advantages like government policy and advantages like subsidy, incentive should be prescribed. So, according to the rules and regulations and government policy, we have to obey their policies and then we have to choose our plant. Okay. So, these are the 6 criteria for plant setting or for setting our plant. Okay. Next is setting guidelines. No forest land shall be converted into non-forest activity. No forest land shall be converted into non-forest activity for the sustenance of sustenance. S-U-S-T-A-I-N-A-N-C. For the S-U-S-T-A-I-N-A-N-C. Sustenance of the industry. So, before starting our industry, we should keep in mind that any forest system should not be converted into non-forest activity. Okay, we should not destroy the forest and we should not destroy the trees and plants also. For that reason, the animals also will be affected. Okay, next point. No prime agricultural land. No prime agricultural land shall be converted into no prime agricultural land shall be converted into industrial sites. So whatever agricultural lands are there, we should not use them as a place for our plants. Okay, it should not be converted into non-agricultural land. Okay, we should take care of that. Next point. Land acquired. A-C-Q-U-I-R-E-D. Land acquired shall be sufficiently large. Land acquired shall be sufficiently large to provide. Land acquired shall be sufficiently large to provide space for appropriate treatment of. To provide space for appropriate treatment of. Treatment of waste water So whatever land we have acquired, there should be sufficient. Whatever land we have taken, there should be sufficient land for our plant process, whatever process we are going to do for that process also, and also for the recycle and treatment of the wastewater and waste things also. Okay, solid waste or liquid waste. Okay. Next, enough space should be provided. Enough space should be provided for storage. Enough space should be provided for storage of solid waste. Enough space should be provided for the storage of solid waste so that this would be available for possible reuse. This would be available for possible reuse. So we should select a space for the disposal of or for the storage of solid waste, and also for the space for reuse of that solid waste. Okay, whatever solid waste or liquid waste are there, we cannot throw it directly to any place. Okay, we can sell it to any other company for their raw material, and also we can use it as we can reuse. Okay, whatever, suppose for an example, suppose some waste water are coming from our process. Okay, so we can use this water for our latrine and urinal purpose, and also for the plant watering the plants also. Okay, and also for generating the solar energy. ये तो जिनको है हमें तभी यूज करते हैं, बुझा ना नहीं? So we cannot destroy all that. Next point, associated township of the industry. Associated township of the industry must be created. Associated township of the industry must be created at a place which will be act as a barrier. Which will be act as a barrier between the industry and the town. Between the industry and the township. So we have to create a township of the company. Okay, because it cannot interfere. The process of the plant cannot interfere the normal township of the normal citizens. Okay, so we have to create a township of the company for creating a barrier between the citizens and the company also. Okay, so these are the sitting guidelines. Next, general principles of good layout. Enough space should be provided for storage of solid waste so that this should be available for possible reuse. So we have to select a place for our disposal area where we can store our solid waste. As जैसे हमें liquid waste को store करते हैं, then solid waste को भी हमें store करना. So whatever solid waste are there, we can reuse it. So facility and space also should be there. If there is no facility of reusing, we can sell it to another company as their raw material. ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ନେଇ ପାରିବେ ତାଙ୍କ raw material ହିସାବରେ. Suppose ଆମର ଚାଷ ରୁ କଣ ବାହାରୁଛି, କିଛି ଆସ ବାହାରୁଛି, ସେଇ ଆସ ଗୁଡାକୁ କୋଉମାନେ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି, ସିମେଣ୍ଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ ମାନେ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି, କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମ ସିମେଣ୍ଟ ୟୁଜ କରିଲେ ସେଟା ବୁଝିଗଲ ନା? ଆମର whatever things are coming, we can sell it or we can reuse it. Okay. Next, general principles for good layout. principles for good layout. First point, enough workspace. Enough workspace, WRK. Enough workspace within bracket 2 meter square per person. Enough workspace within bracket 2 meter square per person should be provided. 2 meter square for the person should be provided for a worker. Should be provided for a worker to work without any restriction. To work without any restriction. To work without any restriction. Okay. Suppose I am the worker, I am working here. My co-worker is also working here on another machine. I am on one machine and he is also on another machine. Okay. So if I have to take some thing means I may interfere with work or not, because the distance, the gap between the machine and the persons are very less. So we have to maintain, according to the law, we have to maintain 2 meter square space for every worker. Okay, for which he can work freely and he can move around his machine for housekeeping or any other thing freely, and the co-worker will not be interfered for his work. So we have to maintain 2 meter square area per person. For one person, 2 meter square area. According to that, how many workers are working in our area? We have to maintain that. According to that criteria, we have to maintain the place also. Okay. Next point. Proper road, walkway, WALK, walkway, etc. Proper road, walkway, etc. should be provided. Proper road, walkway, etc. should be provided for free passage of man and material. For free passage of man and material to avoid delay and obstruction. To avoid delay and obstruction. To avoid delay and obstruction. Proper road and walkway should be provided for the passage of workers and whoever are working in that area. So suppose I have to go to that area. If the place is, if the passageway is obstructed, means the tables are here and there like this. So I may take more time to go there. In industrial area, some cycle lanes are maintaining for some machinery, some cycle lane is there for some process, some cycle lane is there. So if we are the material is coming and taking more time, means it may delay, our production will be delayed. Okay, so we have to maintain a free passageway. Okay, and another example, suppose one fire extinguisher is placed at that corner. हमारे classroom is there, at that corner one fire extinguisher is there, and some emergency happens. Any fire happening, we have to go to that area and we have to take the fire extinguisher to extinguish the fire. But we will take more time because the area is on the path is obstructed. हमारे chair table सब पड़ी थी, तो हमें कितना more time लगेगा. So whatever places, like these places, we have to keep it free access. Okay, we have to keep the passageway free for delay of our production and for avoiding the obstruction and also for taking few days. In some time only we can take it and we can use it. Okay. Next point. Sufficient dose. Sufficient dose. Dose. D-double-Y. Sufficient dose. Windows. Ventilators. Sufficient doors, windows, ventilators, and open space must be provided, and open space must be provided for good ventilation. For good ventilation and lighting. For good ventilation and lighting. So, doors, windows and ventilation are provided for the purpose of ventilation and lighting. If these are not sufficient, the door, window are providing us natural ventilation and natural lighting. Okay. If these are not sufficient, we have to use some artificial means of getting some machinery or something which will give us artificial light and artificial ventilation. So this should be a sufficient number, because if more light and more ventilation is not available, the worker cannot work freely or they cannot work comfortably. For this reason, we have to keep the sufficient amount of door or window available. Next one, installation of machinery. Installation of machinery, floors, stairs, lifting machine. Installation of machinery, floors, stairs, lifting machine, electric wiring, etc. must be done, etc. must be done to ensure safety. At least 1 meter space. At least 1 meter space around each other. At least 1 meter space around each other. So whatever machinery we are going to install in our factory, okay, it should be in a safety condition or in a safety condition, or built-in safety also should be there. Suppose we are fixing a machinery and bearing is not there, so it is in a unsafe condition. First we have to fix a guard in it, suitable guard. हमारे देखो ना guard जोड़ा पाएगा तो क्या लगेगा? Suitable guard we have to fix it. Okay. Then switches, whatever switches, all things, the installation should be in a safety manner. Okay. Then stairs and floors. The floor should be in a suitable manner. It should not be a slippery floor. Okay. ये जाओ तो वाली पड़ी वाला काम होगा. Then stairs. Stairs should be sufficient in width and height. Okay. And guardrails and handrails should be there for avoiding falling. Okay. All these things we have to maintain in a safety manner. Then between the machinery we have to maintain 2 meter space. Means 1 meter space around the machinery. If you want to machinery for 1 meter space around the regular. Then another machine is there, means 1 meter space. Okay. For the free access to that machinery. Next one. Provide set means of access. Provide installation of machinery, floor, stairs, lifting machine. Lifting machine में whatever safety we are maintaining. जानते ना नहीं? Crane, बाबा horse crane, बाबा temple whatever lifting machinery are there, what we should maintain. Okay. Electric wiring. be done to ensure safety. At least 1 meter space, at least 1 meter space around each other. At least 1 meter space around each other. Next point. Provide safe means of access. Safe means of access to all workplace. Provide safe means of access to all workplace. So, whatever workplaces are there, suppose this is the storage area, this is the administration block, this is the one department, okay, one workplace, this is another workplace, this is the scrapyard. Whatever places are there, there is the safe assembly area. Okay, safe assembly area कौन लोगों को पता है ना? मालूम है? This is the safe assembly area. So we have to maintain a free passageway and safe passageway. There should not be any obstacle between them. Okay, interconnection and roads should be there. Safe roads should be there. Then provide safe transport facility. Next point. Provide safe transport facility. Provide safe transport facility for man and material. Provide safe transport facility for man and material. So, material transportation. किस तरह का transport? Forklift trucks, lifting machines, lifting cattle also are used with lifting machines. Lifting machine are called hoist, crane. All things are there. Lift, elevators, all things are there for transporting man and also for transporting the material. Okay. So we have to use all this transporting media in a safety manner. Whatever lifting trucks or cranes we are using, we should take it before every use. Okay, and also a check by a competent person should be done at a certain interval according to our law. Which one are next point? Provide adequate emergency exit. Provide adequate emergency exit. Provide adequate emergency exit. Emergency exit. At the time of emergency, through which we can go outside easily. Okay. Suppose in buses or vehicles, emergency door is there or no? हमारे बच्चों बच्चे थे वो emergency door और एक just driver और बच्चों बच्चे side से right side से थे वो emergency. First box करके. So in industry also we have to maintain the emergency exit. Provide adequate emergency exit. Sufficient number of emergency exits should be there. In case of emergency, any type of fire happens or any type of traffic relief or any type of emergency happens, we can go easily to that way to the safe assembly area. Next, design a workbench. Design a workbench. Ladder, platform, etc. With safety standards to avoid the hazard. Associated with them. To avoid the hazard associated with them. To avoid the hazard associated with them. So, design a workbench, ladder and platforms of scaffolding like this. Whatever working platforms are there, we have to build it according to our standards. Okay, for everything law is there, some standard is there, we have to maintain all these standards and we have to build it. the employees. Training and education facilities for the employees. So, maintenance department and repair department, CSC department, all these departments also should have there. We have to keep all the departments in case of emergency or failure of machinery or any breakage, we have to use. They are the supporting media. They are the supporting department which will help us. Okay, so we have to keep the maintenance and repair workshop. Then proper training and education to the employees. Whoever new employees are coming to our company, they don't know about our company. Whatever criteria, what action they have to do, all these things we have to give them training and education. Okay, in between also we have to give them some first training, fire training, and fast training. Okay, next, use appropriate color notice. Use appropriate color notice board. Use appropriate color notice board, comma, signboard, signboard, board, B-O-A-R-D, color notice board, signboard, and poster, etc. Poster, etc. for safety. For safety. So, some posters we are using in our company. Zero accident. A poster will be there. Zero accident. Then work slow, maintain safety. And these posters we have to maintain. We have to keep in our work area. Then some colors. Color means red color indicates parking. Green color indicates parking. Everything whatever color we are using in our company. Then some pipeline. Our company pipelines use for more pipelines are there. We cannot know what thing is going flowing in through that pipeline. So we have to maintain a color signal. Okay. Through that color we can know that a chart will be there. For which color what material or what liquid is going through that pipeline. Okay. We can know from that color we can know that thing. Okay. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ଆମର ସବୁ ପାଇପଲାଇନ କୁ ଚେକ୍ କରିବା ଦରକାର ଯୋଉ କଲର ରେ ଆମର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ଆମେ ସେଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖୋଲିକି ସେଠି କିଛି ରିପେୟାର ବା ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ କରିବୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ, then signboard, our emergency exit, which place is emergency exit. Suppose warehouse is there, we have to use the danger signal and we have to write the danger. Authorized person, entry for authorized person only. Which is the restricted area, we have to keep the restricted area. Okay, for like this, some signboards also we have to make. Next point, provide easy location. Provide easy location for fire alarm. Provide easy location for fire alarm and fire fighting equipment. For fire alarm and fire fighting equipment. So, easy location means, for example, that is at that place we have kept the fire extinguisher. In an emergency, we cannot go there easily and in a short period of time. We will take more time. So we have to keep it in a place which will be convenient to which we can go in a short period of time. I mean, after signal like this, use okay. So easy location for fire alarm and fire fighting equipment. हमारे स्टोरेज एरिया में थाई करे जो भी हमारे सब लोग फायर फाइटिंग इक्विपमेंट जोटा कि पोर्टेबल आप एक जोड़ा का हम सब काम करे ग्रुप रे ये सब जगह में डाउन करे सब सेटिंग लेते हैं तो सही से हम जैसे इजीली लाइव करवा ताकू रन करे करवा इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी चला ना नेक्स्ट प्रोवाइड एंड मेंटेन good housekeeping. Provide and maintain good housekeeping. Housekeeping also an important factor for the industrial area. If housekeeping is not maintained properly, then many type of accidents may happen. Fire, fall, fall, also some one person will be there who only has to see the housekeeping criteria. It is going properly or not. If not going properly, then she has to give some instruction to the workers of the housekeeping department. Okay, everybody teach me here. So it is general principles for good layout. नहीं सॉरी का हम रेडी हेडिंग क्या कर दिया जनरल प्रिंसिपल को पर गुड लेआउट ये कर हम काम शुरू नेक्स्ट लेखा Plant layout and design from safety point of view. कौन बॉडी को हमारे टाइप Plant layout and design from safety point of view. कौन लेंगे Plant layout and design from safety point of view.
ना मैं बुक सामने में ना हम प्रोस्पेक्टस से कौन लिखा है लाइब्रेरी पूरा गोल लाइब्रेरी साइंटिफिक लाइब्रेरी पूरा अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न लाइब्रेरी है हमें लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ो मैगजीन में न्यूज़पेपर में
देखो कल पॉइंट सेफ डिजाइन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन पॉइंट it was plant layout safe design and construction using safety standards safe design and construction using safety standards and using good engineering practice and using good engineering practice. Good engineering practice. So, from safety point of view, whatever thing we are going to do is we have to maintain the standard and we have to maintain the rules and regulations. हमारा different types of laws अच्छी तो कई laws में हमको कौन rules and regulations भी हमको maintain करने पड़ेगा. And engineering practice. जहाँ भी हमें करेगा, it should be a good engineering practice. कुछ बात है? Next देखो. Safe storage. Utility and waste disposal design. Safe storage, utility and waste disposal design. So whatever things we are going to store, we should keep it in a safely manner. Suppose some gas cylinders we are storing, we have to keep the storage area at gas meter distance from the general storage. Okay, 15 meters. Okay, we have to keep that area, that gas cylinder storage area, access from tree, माने कम क्या sunlight, direct sunlight तो कम होगा ना, सेटा तो माने दूरी रखना भी होगा, because chances of fire and explosion is there. Okay, there should be whatever wiring, electric wiring, that should be non-sparking type. मुझे पता नहीं. Then sparking arrestor, बाद हमारा light arrestor, lighting arrestor, बिजली वाले हमारे जो झटका लगी थी, fire by explosion हमारा चांस ये तो जिनको भी हम properly maintain करेंगे. So we have to store the whatever material are there, we have to store it safely depending upon their company जहाँ भी properties है. According to that, we have to store all that. Okay. Then utility, we have to utilize this properly, and then waste disposal design. Whatever waste disposal design we are maintaining, it should not interfere the general people and to the general working of the industry also. Next. Safe control room location and design. Safe control room location and design. Safe control room location and design. So whatever answer conditions are there, we can control in one area. We have to design like this control model. Emergency control devices. Emergency control devices. Emergency control devices. In case of emergency, whatever devices we can use to avoid that emergency, we have to keep all that things ready. Emergency number fire extinguisher हो, बार toxic release थलावर तार testing department हो, बार हमारा किसी भी लीकेज होची, ताको केमिकल में handle करेगा. All that things, all that emergency devices and all that emergency department should be in ready condition. चलो next देखो, firefighting and gas leak control facility. Firefighting and gas leakage control facility. Firefighting and gas leakage control facility. Facility हमारा उसमें toxic release होची का gas leakage होची and fire or explosion हमारे chances होची. How we can control it? For that also department should be there. Then auto control alarm, trip or trigger, interlock and other necessary safety devices. Other necessary safety devices. So auto control means suppose we are giving more load to any machine. So auto control system should be there, which will keep us free from the hazardous waste. जोटा कि हमारे पास अधिक लोड है जिससे आपण को कंट्रोल करबो जेंति कि हमर यूज करा छै एनी टाइप ऑफ लीकेज करेंट बा ओवर करेंट होछि त ताको फ्यूज हमसे लो हेकि को होछि हम जेति दिन होछि ताको सब प्रोटेक्टिव मीडिया रे रखछि बुझे ना सेंति ऑटो कंट्रोल सिस्टम वी हैव टू कीप इन देन alarm system for fire or for any type of emergency alarm system should be there. Then trigger will stop the machine immediately. Okay, if any type of problem happens means the trigger will stop the machine immediately. Next, interlock means interlock between two systems. Okay, if one system is going on, the next system will not stop, and the first system will not stop till the next system is going. So interlocking first जोड़ा गाड़ी पढ़ला बड़े. Then necessity of safety devices. Whatever safety devices we are using, suppose two hand push button system, emergency switch, all these things we have to keep in ready condition. Okay. Next, railing and guarding are chances of falling. Railings and guarding are chances of falling. Railings and guarding are the chances of falling. Where there is a chance of fall, we have to use the guarding or railing. Okay. Suppose stairs are there, we have to use the handrail. Suppose some scaffolding is there, we have to use the toe board. Okay. Some height work is going on, we have to use the guarding. For machinery also, or for some warehouse, we have to use the guarding. Okay. Next point. Road of sufficient width and size. Road of sufficient width and size. And size. So the road on which the vehicles are traveling and the materials are transporting and the people are going on, that should be of sufficient width and some sign should be there. Something around 30 kilometers, 15 kilometers, all these facilities should be there. Okay. Next, safe loading and uploading. Safe loading and uploading and uploading and safe transport facility. Safe loading and uploading and safe transport facility. So at the time of loading and unloading of material, we have to use safety properly. हमें किसी का तो store करेगा बा load करेगा बा unload करेगा. Then at the time of transporting, we have to make a track for the vehicles and another track for the workers. Human transportation हमको available and for the vehicles also available. समझी railway suppose हमें use करते किसी material transportation में for that also separate area should be there and that should be restricted area. Okay. Next point. First aid center and ambulance van. First aid center and ambulance van. So first aid center or first aid boxes should be available at the security gate and at all the workplaces for emergency कटिजाउची किसी होची सेतरे हम first aid provide करेंगे. First aid boxes should be there and a first aid room should be provided if the workers are more than 250 persons to अधिक जति काम होते हैं तो एम्बुलेंस रूम करी तमरा होते फर्स्ट एड रूम दवा दरकार ता सहित if more than 500 people are working then we should give a facility of ambulance vehicle. Okay, this is the ये हमारा रूल है. So these are the plant layout and design from safety point of view. तो बुझी पारलो बेसिक आइडिया आसला ना नहीं प्लान सेटिंग एंड लेआउट. Guidelines for the setting of a new plant. Write down any 7 general principles of good layout. -3 गोटे क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क गला 10 गोटे गोटे माइनस
online के objective हो ना subjective है objective और ये एक मार्क पॉइंट है ठीक बोले थे तो डिवीजन लोग को सोचने की ना सॉफ्टवेयर को बोलो बड़ा सबसे बैंगलोर पर आधा इन्वेस्टमेंट ये मुझे नाम भुवनेश्वर में मैं साथ प्रोफेसर पढ़ी तो केरल तमिलनाडु इलेक्शन सर्विस पूरा लेकर